Alright guys, what's up? Today's my first video, first recap. Unfortunately today was a loss, but I mean it is what it is. You just keep on going, whatever. Yeah, we coolin', we chillin'. But I took longs today. Um Pre-market. I mean I can't rewind this because bro, oh god I'm broke. I don't have the subscription to do that. But wait. I yeah, I can't do it. I just canceled my shit, but whatever. Pre-market, all I could really see was like that. This candle was looking, things were looking a little more bearish on the 1 hour, I should say, I believe. Yeah. So we were like down here and it looked like we were just tapping into the equilibrium of the range, of this range. Boom. Perfectly tapped. We had the hour gap here. And we're kind of just like here. But let me show you what happened. So I ended up taking whatever. I took something like that. So we had this 1 minute gap right here. It was which I was mainly looking at. We came down, we respected that gap, and we closed above it. I mean, shit, we were looking pretty like price wanted to go up, so I ended up taking longs. Um, Obviously, it got stopped out. The better play would have been to take something like this below the 1 minute, same position, whatever. And I would probably move my stop up as price went break even at these highs. Boom. Whatever. I probably would have top ticket. I don't know. Who knows? But I probably would have took something like that. And yeah, it would have been a great day. But what happened was we were reacting off of two 15-minute gaps. So we had one down here, we had a 15 down here, and then we had a 15 up here. And at the time of the trade, I mean technically we or no, technically we didn't inverse it at the time of the trade, not yet. But it looked pretty like it was gonna go inverse that gap. Unfortunately, it didn't. Whatever. We pinballed off of this gap. We bounced, went back down to this one. Then we went up again. But this is kind of just like, or that's kind of just the equilibrium too. We had that little pullback. So boom to boom. We had the pullback right here. And yeah, price continued to go higher after that. And that better entry would have been this 1 minute gap here. In hindsight, it looks all good. In the moment, obviously, it's hard to think that. I also didn't want to revenge trade. I did think about re-entering, but that would have been me practicing a bad habit. So I decided to hold my hands and not enter and kind of just whatever it. We lost about $359 today, I think. Yeah, the count before was like we had 656 in profits, lost about 300 something of that, brought our total account down to 50,300 basically. I am switching back to Top Step though because my timer's up on this eval. It's been damn near 30 days now. I'm gonna get rebuild in 2 days. I prefer to use Project X low key, just a little more friendly. Is easier to use other than the fucking crashing that it always happens. I tend to find that I have problems with like not passing my evals. Like I wouldn't say quickly, but like I don't blow the account. I don't get drawdown. I treat it as if it's an express account, and that low key backfires on me because I end up just getting rebuild on the eval. So I need to like reconsider my risk amount on there. I should do more like 1%, $500, make a band, pass it in 3 days, or even a week's fine for me personally. It's only been about 5 months since I started my journey, so that's fine to me. I haven't got a payout or anything yet. I passed the eval one time, but I probably got lucky to be honest with you. Uh, Other than that though, I do need to risk more, so we're gonna focus more on that on Top Step. Not really worried about the losses. What happens happens, and yeah, I'm very passionate about this stuff, and I can see myself in the future, you know, being very, very successful within trading. And after 5 months of winning, losing, you know, I'm still going in. I ain't giving up on this shit because the return is gonna be crazy. Let me know how you guys' trades went in the comments though. Let me know if you guys took any trades, how your day went. If you got any advice or anything you want to let me know, I'm open to all that, of course. Open ears as a beginner. Appreciate you guys for watching the video, and yeah, that's my trade recap. I'll see you in the next.